Go.
Come on, hurry up.
The whole thing, Zach.
Zach, here, just dump it in.
What the heck?
Just dump it in.
My lips failing.
Is that?
Put the whole thing in your mouth. Okay, close your mouth. Swallow it.
What the heck? You can't swallow it. Is gonna eat 1 tablespoon of cinnamon again. Go when you're ready.
You can't do it.
Yes, I can.
No, you can't.
Maybe Dad's right. Let's talk humorless.
See? You can't. Just try it. No. No way. You did it.
I did it.
Oh my gosh.
I did it.
Just chew it. He was just chewing it. He got it in a ball. Like in a big wad of cinnamon. And he was able to get it down. Swallow it. Just get it all wadded up first. Before you know, it has to be in one lump before you can get it down. Oh my gosh. Is that hard? Got it? It's not gone. It's gone. You did it! See? Mind over matter. I like that. Mind over matter.